a great American hero that we all look up to. When times are hard and chips are down, he knows just what to do. A cowboy's got a set of rules that he lives by day to day. And if you ask for his advice, he'll more than likely say, if it's a fence, mend it. If it's a dollar bill, spend it before it burns a hole down in your jeans. If it's a load, truck it. If it's a punch, duck it. If she's a lady, then treat her like a queen. That's Cowboy Elijah. Every cowboy's got it. It's in the way he lives his life, songs he sings. That's Cowboy Elijah. Every cowboy's got it. He's got a simple solution for just about anything. If it's a job, do it. Put your old back into it, because a little bit of dirt's gonna wash off in the rain. If it's a horse, ride it. If it hurts, hide it. Dust yourself off and get back on again. That's Cowboy Elijah. Every cowboy's got it. It's in the way he lives his life, songs he sings. That's Cowboy Elijah. Every cowboy's got it. He's got a simple solution for just about anything. Now an old cowboy and a young buckaroo's out working, riding fence. So the old man thought he'd test this kid on his working skills and common sense. He said, son, if you've seen three men riding in the front of a pickup dressed alike from boot to hat, could you tell which one was the real cowboy just from where he sat? Well, the kid, he scratched his head a while and he said, oh man, there ain't no way to know. The old fella said, son, on this outfit, you got a long, long way to go. The real cowboy is the one who sits in the middle, and he ain't just there by fate. 'Cause first of all, son, if he's sitting in the middle, he don't have to drive. And then two, he don't have to get out and open no gates. That's Cowboy Elijah. Every cowboy's got it. It's in the way he lives his life, songs he sings. That's Cowboy Elijah. Every cowboy's got it. He's got a simple solution for just about anything. I don't need a lot of lay, yodel-o, yodel-ay.
Took a double take out on the interstate when I saw her making eyes at me. So I followed her down to Clubhouse Drive, past the pool and the 18th green. And in the parking lot I said, it's mighty hot, maybe I could buy you a beer. She said, I'm glad you asked, but I'll have to pass, 'cause only members are allowed in here. I said, I'm a member of the country club. Country music is what I love. I drive an old Ford pickup truck. I do my drinking from a Dixie cup. Hey, I'm a bona fide dancing fool. I shoot a mighty mean game of pool. And any honky-tonk roadside pub. I'm a member of the country club. Lord, you look so inviting. Thought it might be exciting for a woman with a limousine to go bouncing around in a beat-up truck.